when I walked into Tyler's installation, he was sitting reading the chronology, and he was sitting in a chair, and then next to him was a projector on the bed, like a people projector on a pedestal, and so like an empty chair. And I walked in, and I stepped on the empty chair, and I think maybe I asked him what he was reading. And then he leaned over and started moving on the projector. And it was a bunch of old footage that looked like from movies, and he narrated it. I don't think he looked at me specifically during most of the narration. I think he was also looking more at the picture. I don't remember a ton of the story. I remember for example, he was growing up more first about not having a lot of money, and I remember parts about his grandparents that were really personal and affectionate. And I remember there being a talked about a dog, and the dog showed up on the footage. And I remember thinking it was time really low, but I wasn't sure that this was the actual footage that he was talking about. And the narration lasted just a few minutes, probably not more than 5 minutes. And then I think it ended with the story of the grandparents. And then he stopped talking and